a while back we made a rookie mistake and bought the cheapest front loader that we could find, and since then it has been marking my clothes, putting rust stains on my clothes, making a hell of a racket, bouncing all over the place. And so I'm very pleased that now it is officially broken and I can say bon voyage to this bloody thing and take it away from my house. Goodbye. So I've been working with Samsung for a couple of years now, but mostly around their phones. You know, phones at Fashion Week, I did a bunch of stuff with S7, walking around my phone, looking at fashion, being fashionable, and that's been amazing. However, when I heard that they were releasing like the world's best washing machine, the AdWash, I've literally been on and on and on at them to hook me up, because as you can see, I absolutely hated my old washing machine.